What's up, y'all? It's your boy SSI Native, and for today's video we're gonna be unboxing all of my stuff that came in within the past like 2 weeks. This box actually just came in today. Just a bunch of stuff for the interior, and this one, which one is it? I think I lost it. Well, one of these packages is for the exterior, but it's more of like a restoration piece than anything else. But yeah, so I'll start off with this, and use this little. I'll use this scissors.
Ooh, perfect. In the back room.
But yeah, so I've been waiting a really long time to open all this stuff. It's been in my room for a long time. But so these are side markers I got from ijdmtoy.com. So you can see right here, they're like smoked LEDs. They're supposed to be plug and play, so that should be easy. You just connect it here. I think these are either inductions or something else. No, it's just a receipt. So we'll go on to the next one. Let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, this is the one I was talking about that I thought I didn't know where it was at. And yeah, I could open it from the top, but that's too much work and I'm lazy, so we'll just do this. So yeah, these are just for the bumper where it connects to the fender. The other day when I took mine off, the part where it like bolts on right here, these broke off. So then my bumper doesn't sit flush right now, so I had to wait for these to come in. But since it's on jack stands like you saw in the last video, it didn't really matter. But yeah, it's been too long waiting for this. It takes a lot of like, I don't know, self-strength to not open all your parts when they get here, especially when you want to see them.
Yeah.
Right? You think so too, right? Yeah, this little shift knob, they sell it on CJ Pony Parts.
Wow.
Just an aluminum one. It's just a little dirty, but like,
nothing
crazy. Like,
dude, it's pretty wet.
But yeah, so that goes for like, I think 50 on CJ Pony Parts, but I got it for like $15 on eBay used. I saw it after I almost bought it on CJ Pony Parts, but then I just saw it on eBay when I was looking for stuff, and I said, why not? This is another part for the interior. Something I've been wanting for a while, but I would just put off just because I ended up spending the money on other things. But since I finished the interior swap, and I want to go ahead and start doing more things to just finish up the whole interior. Let's see. Here it is. So this is just the shifter bezel. Let me take it out so you guys can see it. It's from like the Bullet. Just new leather. My leather's kind of worn. Has a little tear somewhere over here on mine. And I mean, just ugly. But this supposedly sits flush. I think it makes it look newer. But yeah, I've been wanting this for a while. I'm gonna like how this looks when it's on. And I think that'll look good with this. Let me see. I can get it in.
Match.
Yeah, it'll look like that, basically. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's wet.
That looks pretty wet. I like it.
Gotta be wet. And then this is the one I've been waiting to open. Even though it just came in like a few hours ago. But this is the one I've been most hyped about. God damn, this knife is dull.
Your booty dildo?
Yeah, my brother came in and he said that this was a butt plug. So, but maybe it is, but don't tell nobody. Thank God they can package.
Oh boy. It's wrapped up like food.
Like a diaper. I'm gonna just cut it, dude.
Like a torta.
What you mean like a torta?
I'm hungry again.
Ooh, that was close. I use these actually. Yeah, so I don't really like the stock steering wheel that comes in the 0709 GTs. Mine's the one with the like satin silver like handles, I guess you would say, where the cruise control and everything is at. Since I did the full black out / Shelby swap, I decided to get a GT500 steering wheel. The airbag I'm putting on is actually the 2014 501 with the pony in the middle without the tri-bar. I don't like the tri-bar, so I got that. I didn't want to leave the old one because of the tri-bar, and I didn't want to get a Shelby one because my car's not a Shelby. But I just like how it looks. I dig the hole. I didn't think it was gonna look as nice.
I like the red.
Here's the scratches.
The red stitching.
Yeah.
Y'all can see. Wet.
Now I don't have to do the what is it? The baseball stitch resto mod from Chris Fix.
Yeah, I'm thinking about doing that with mine.
Yeah?
Yeah. Or am I just gonna Momo?
That's cool. But yeah, so far
Take the easy route.
what? Get one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically all we got is the wheel and then all this stuff. Look at this bed. But the wheel, shifter bezel, shift knob, bumper mounts, and the side markers that I'm trying to get out right now. So out of everything, I think I like these two the most. This is just things I've wanted for a long time. But this is probably my favorite right now. I'm just gonna love how this looks inside. I love how it feels. It's in amazing condition. I got an amazing deal on this actually. The steering wheels go for like $500 to $700 on eBay. I don't know if they're cheaper anywhere else. But I'll just say I paid less than $200 for this. And it's, as you can see, it's like in great condition. I think the car I came off had like 19,000 miles on it, but wet. What you think? Is it wet?
I know, staying owner.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to ask 350Z owners. But I don't know when I'm putting this on. This will be on probably tomorrow. I'll put it on tomorrow. But the rest, if you guys saw, I didn't have the shifter, like the actual shifter in the car. That will be in the next video, explaining why that's not in there. And so those are gonna wait. The bumper mounts should be on maybe this upcoming weekend, probably Sunday. And side markers, same thing. I've heard these are surprisingly bright. Like, these are bright. One of my friends has them. Add him on Instagram at Reaper3Valve. It's REAPER_3V. He's one of the wettest 3 valves in my club. And definitely one of the wettest. Yeah, he's definitely one of the wettest. But I still love my car more, just a little bit. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think of the haul we brought in, and let me know if you want to steal any of this crap from me. But I'll see you guys until, I don't know if I'm going to do an installation video. I'm probably just going to put it on. But if you guys want to see an installation video, you can comment down below, and I'll be happy to do one.